Welcome back to another Lazy Shell tutorial video. We finally made it to the last editor, the World's Map editor. Let's finish out strong. Over here, you can change the song that plays on the world map. You can choose the section of the world map you want to edit with this drop-down. And then clicking this icon here will let you see the various locations on the map, while this one will let you see what the world map banner and location name look like as they appear in the game. If you click on a location, you can see its properties on the right. You can also choose the location from this drop-down instead. You can edit its coordinates using these boxes, but it's usually easier to just click and drag the icon itself. Under Destination, if this location box is active, selecting this location will take the player to another location on the world map. If you like, you can have this location take the player to one of two different locations, depending on if a certain memory bit of your choosing is set or not. You can set or clear these bits by using the Event Scripts editor. Alternatively, if location is not active, choosing the location on the map will activate an event script of your choosing. If you look at event scripts commonly used by world map points, you'll see that most of them just say, take the player to this level. For example, this is the event script for Vista Hill. It just says, open the level for Vista Hill. Down here, you can choose what paths are available from a given world map point, if any. If the box to the left is grayed out, that means there is no path from that direction. Otherwise, you can choose the location the path leads to, and only have that path available if certain memory bits are set. Under Map Properties, you can set how many locations exist in a section of the world map. It's important to note that the world map sections are laid out in order, and the world map points are also laid out in order. Meaning here in Bowser's Keep, which is the first section, we have 7 locations. Since Bowser's Keep is the first section in the list, it will use world map points 0 through 6. The next world map section is Mushroom Kingdom, which will have map point 7 as its first available world map point. This might sound confusing, but it'll make sense once you start playing around with this editor. You can also set the tile set this section of world map uses. There are 9 different world map sections and only 7 tile sets, so it's impossible to have a different tile set for each map. Down here, you can use these coordinate boxes to shift the position of the world map section. This is how, even though they share a tile set, the Yoster Isle and Rosetown Mainland world map sections appear to focus on different areas. Up at the top, there are palette, graphic, and tile editors. These work the same way they do in other editors, so you should be a pro at those by now. If you're not, you can check out my other videos explaining how to use these. You'll notice that when you click the locations icon to bring up map points, it zooms in on the map a bit. If you want to edit the tiles, you need to unclick the map icons. Otherwise, the tile you select in the tile map won't match up with the tile that shows in the tile editor. This is exclusive to Yakabom's version of the program, but you can edit Mario's world map sprite and palette in this editor. An excellent addition. And that covers things for the world map editor. Although this is the end of the specific editors in this program, it isn't necessarily the end of these tutorial videos. I've tried to address the issues people have asked me about in these videos. If there are other issues that enough people need help with, if it's a common enough problem, I can make videos to address those things. But until then, happy ROM hacking, and I'll see you next time.